Yeah.
Hey, Chris.
Hey, let me call you back.
What's up, man?
This is weird guy with the camera here. Let me call you back. All right, shit, bye. Yo, what's going on, dude?
Yo, I got a question for you.
What's up?
How does the future look like for the assisted living industry?
Yeah, we have a little bit of an overbuilding problem in certain areas. They've continued to build new assisted living facilities. The Wall Street funding all of this development has created this like excess supply. So now we have some facilities that like they're sitting at 60-70% occupancy. A new facility comes into town, they take all of those new leads, then everyone's sitting at like a 60 or 70% occupancy in some areas. So they're just oversaturated and then they can't be profitable at that point. Old facilities are gonna have challenges with remodeling their old buildings and trying to get them up to the status of like what a newer building might have. I think you're gonna see institutions, go from like say 25% of the marketplace to about 50% of the marketplace. You're gonna see mom and pops getting out of it, but you're also gonna see that inflationary pressure where the margins, because of the cost to build and because of the cost of labor, the margins are just gonna be like super thin. There are not a lot of solutions out there that are affordable for that middle market. That's why adult daycare is literally going to be the solution for the middle market, for middle America, because it's an affordable care option. It has a lot more margin in it, a lot more flexibility to it, and it's just an untapped market. Not only is it not overbuilt, it hasn't even started. So if you want to learn more about opening up your own adult daycare, go to adcpro.com. and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.